In this video, you'll learn how to configure Paperclip AI after installation. Following these steps will help you set up the application effectively and access its features seamlessly. Begin by locating the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll find the search function for your operating system. Next, click on the search icon, which is typically represented by a magnifying glass. This will open a search field where you can enter commands. Type in key D to open the command prompt. This application allows you to execute various commands directly within your operating system. After entering the command, type Paperclip AI run into the command prompt. This will initiate the Paperclip AI application, allowing it to start loading. Wait for Paperclip AI to fully load. You may see a loading indicator confirming that the application is starting up. Once the application has loaded, you will need to copy the URL displayed to, which is http://1027.0.1.310.1. Now open Google Chrome or your preferred web browser. This will be the platform you use to access the Paperclip AI interface. Click on the URL bar at the top of the browser window. This is where you will enter the address to access the Paperclip AI dashboard. Type in the URL you copied earlier, http://127.0.1.310, and press enter on your keyboard. This action will direct you to the Paperclip AI dashboard. The Paperclip AI dashboard will now open, displaying various options and settings that you can configure to suit your needs. To start creating an issue, click on the Create Issue button. This will allow you to begin the process of setting up new tasks within the application. If prompted, click on the Times icon to close any pop-up or modal that appears. This will return you to the main dashboard view. Next, find and click on the dashboard option in the menu. This will take you to an overview of your current projects and tasks. After that, select the Agents tab from the dashboard menu. This section provides information about the different agents you have available. Now, click on the Inbox option. This area will show you messages and notifications related to your tasks and agents. Proceed by clicking on the Work section. Here, you will find the tasks that require your attention and action. Next, click on the Issues tab to view any outstanding issues that need to be addressed. This section is crucial for tracking your progress. Click on the Routines option to manage your regular tasks and schedules. This will help you keep track of your daily operations. Now, select the Goals section. This area allows you to set and monitor your objectives within the Paperclip AI environment. Click on the Project tab to view and manage your various projects. This section is essential for project organization. Next, click on the Actions option again to return to the Agents Management area. This will help you oversee your agents effectively. Once more, click on the Agents section to confirm your selection and review the agents available. Finally, click on the CEO option to access the CEO dashboard. This area contains critical information and controls for upper management. To conclude, click on the Company option to finalize your configuration process. This will give you access to company-wide settings and options. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.